In this video, I wanted to demonstrate a fairly recent update that Notion made that allows you to bulk edit rows or properties within table view. So the first thing you want to do is open your table, and then you can click and drag to highlight multiple rows, whichever rows you want to edit or change. You can also just click on select rows right here. As you hover over the far left, you'll see the little checkbox show up. So they don't all have to be consecutive or in a row. So you choose the rows you want to change, and then you just click on the six little dots here at the far left of any of the rows, and you see the options here. So first, you could delete all the rows that you've checked. You could duplicate all of the rows you've checked. You can copy links to all the rows. So I'll just show you here, like if I click this and then I were to paste all those rows I checked, here are just all the links. If you just need all of those links, you need a whole bunch of links all at once. The next option is to edit the property, one of the properties. So when you hover over that, the options come up. So these are all the properties or columns in this table that I have. And I can choose any of them. Like this is a roll up for body part because this is a yoga planner schedule. So you see the little roll up options show here. So I can just change a bunch at once. I will just demonstrate the checkbox. So I have one checkbox here called finished, and you'll see there's some checked here. If I click that, it will just uncheck them. And then if I click it again, it'll just check and uncheck checkboxes. So anyway, there's options to do that for any of the properties or columns in your table. The next option is to move to. So you can choose to move all of the checked rows to another database or page. And oops, that unchecked. I'll just highlight some again. And then the other option at the bottom is icons. So you can just change the little icon here, like I have on the far left. Say I want to change that to a plane. There, they all just changed to a plane. So I believe that is it. And if you have something in a database in a view other than a table, say you've got something set up as a gallery or a board, you can always just change the view temporarily to do these bulk changes. And then once you're done with your changes, change it back to whatever view you prefer to have it in if it's not a table.